Hi, my name is Amy. I'm a stylist here at Wolfsfeld's Bridal. I'm going to show you how to measure properly if you need to send in measurements in order to order a gown. I'm going to have Mackenzie come in. Okay, so we always need the bust, waist, and hip measurement. So make sure that you're either wearing something very fitted like she has on, or just going over a lightly padded bra and your underwear. Okay, so for the bust, we just need to go across the fullest part, and then make sure that your arms are down to your sides. And also just make sure that whoever is measuring you isn't pulling too tight. Just leave it nice and comfortable. So there I have her bust measurement. Next, we're gonna do the waist. In order to find the right spot to measure the waist, you're gonna tilt to the side like I'm a little teapot. So right there. We're gonna go across there, not pulling too tight again. And there we have her waist measurement. Next is the hip. You're gonna put your feet all the way together, and then make sure to measure across the fullest part of the hip. And there I have her hip measurement. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to give the store a call.